right, gang, check it out. Quick and easy. This is a self-cleaning, retractable grooming comb. And so the idea is for any of your furry friends, cats or dogs that need a little grooming, that shed a lot and just sometimes need a good brushing. This is an easy way to brush them out, and then instead of having to go back through and actually clean the brush, you unclick it and it leaves the hair behind. Absolutely quick and easy and great design. My dogs don't love getting their hair brushed, but every once in a while I can force them to do it, and this makes it just easy work of it and getting all the excess hair off of them. Overall, if you're looking for a good, just simple grooming brush that doesn't take quite as much work to get cleaned up, maybe check this out. I think you're gonna love it.